So hello everyone, in this video we'll be talking about the read operations in MongoDB. For that we'll be using two methods, which are find and find all, or find many. Find one and find. Simply find is find all, you can say that. So find and find one. So for that, let's see what is in our database right now. So in the last video we created our some documents to test. So you can see that 4 documents are there, and if I only want to find all those objects or those documents which has price 250, so I can also find that. So for finding that, I'll be using find command, and inside that I will be using one filter. So in the earlier find command I'm not using any filter, so that's why it is auto generating that and giving me all the documents which are there inside the groceries collection. So we'll be using a filter now inside the find. So you already know the find command, but we'll be using it with a filter. So let's do that. So we'll be using groceries dot find, and I'm finding those groceries which has price equals to 250, right? So we'll be using that. I can put that into double quotes because that's not, or without a double quote, because this time it is not necessary, because it is a single word. If your word contains some spaces, then you should put it into double quotes. You shouldn't be using the spaces while creating the keys. So that's one thing. Now I have added this find filter, and now if I press enter by adding pretty, then you can see that only 2 objects are listed, not 4, because these 2 objects matches this filter, which is price 250. So now only the those documents are listed because these are having price 250, which matches this filter. So this is fine. And if I want to find only one element, so I can similarly use that find again, and I can add find one here. So it will only find one element, not more than one. If I press that, okay, let me just add it once again. Let me just remove the pretty. Okay, so now you can see that it is showing me one document. So pretty doesn't work on find one. So this is how you use find one and find many, or simply find many is not any method there. Only find is treated as find many, so you can consider find as find many. So find one will only find only the one document which matches the condition, and the find many will find the more than one objects or the documents which matches the condition. If you if you don't give any condition or the filter inside the find method, then that will give you all the elements or all the documents inside that collection. So this is how like find one and find works, and I also wanted to tell you this. So let's meet in another video in which we'll learn about the update operation in the MongoDB. So let's meet in the another one. Thank you for watching.